Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add fingerprint on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to set up the fingerprint sensor, we need to go to the settings, scroll down and find fingerprint face data and screen lock. And then over here you have fingerprint unlock. You want to tap on this, and before you can actually use the fingerprint sensor and set it up, you need to have a screen lock. So if you don't have screen lock, then you want to use any of these screen lock methods in order to be able to proceed with the fingerprint. So I'm gonna set up a quick easy pin code for me, and there we go. Now we can set up my fingerprint. So we have this screen protector tip where screen protectors may interfere with the screen fingerprint recognition. We recommend using an official Xiaomi film if you require screen protection, of course. I'm gonna select don't show. I mean, maybe not. Let's go further. Now over here at the bottom of the screen we have our fingerprint scanner. So let's use our finger. Let's start setting up. What you need to do is press and then release your finger. You need to simply touch the sensor or the scanner in order to start registering your finger. You want to press your finger or touch the scanner from every angle possible, every single one of them, so that later on there is no issue with unlocking your device. Of course, you can select or add two fingerprint sensors and use the same finger, of course, so that you are certain that it is scanned properly. We are done, so we can press done. Over here we have our fingerprint. Later on we can remove it if we want to. We can add another one. We can decide where we want to use our fingerprint for. We can use, of course, for the lock screen, for privacy, password, app lock, and so on and so forth. We can even adjust or change the fingerprint animation over here. And that's pretty much it. Now if you go back and if I lock my screen, then you will see that over here we have the circle. This is the fingerprint sensor. And you don't really have to even unlock to the lock screen. You don't have to go to the lock screen in order to use the fingerprint sensor. You can simply hold your finger on the sensor, even if you, at least if you know where the sensor is. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.